This is Will from Clerk Chat, and today I'm going to show you how to sync your Microsoft Outlook contacts with Clerk. So let's say I have a Microsoft account with these contacts in here, and I want to use those contacts inside Clerk right here. So to do that, I'm going to go over to Contacts. I'm going to click this Upload button here, and it's going to take me to a page that shows the available integrations with Clerk. I'm going to scroll over to Outlook. I'm going to click Connect. And I'm already signed into Microsoft, so it's automatically going to add that integration for me. And if you see here in the activity, Clerk will notify that I've added the Microsoft Outlook integration. So let's talk about these buttons. The first button is a button that will trigger a manual sync. So clicking this will pull your contacts from Microsoft Outlook and add them to Clerk. The second button is the control over whether these contacts are just visible to you or visible to everyone on your team here. So I want to keep these just for me, so I'm going to click until the lock icon is shown, and then I'm going to pull in the contacts by clicking sync. It should be noted that Clerk automatically will sync your contacts every 15 minutes to pull in any changes that you might have made in Outlook. So now we can go back over to our contacts page and see that our two contacts from Outlook have been added to our Clerk account. In addition to being added, we have also pulled in metadata from Outlook that we can change and will update every 15 minutes inside Outlook. So there you go. You can now message these contacts in Clerk, create cohorts from the Microsoft Outlook properties, and many of the more features inside this application.